Right-click on the area of date and time and select Adjust Date and Time. Turn off the Set Time automatically and Set Time Zone automatically and select Change. Manually set date and time and select Change. To set it automatically, just turn on the Set Time automatically and Set Time Zone automatically. On the search bar, type this PC and then select Properties. Click Rename this PC. Select Rename this PC. On the computer description, type For Demo Only and select Change. I type my surname on the computer and I type ICT 10 Rizal on the work group and then select OK. When the dialog box will appear and asking to restart your device, just select OK to apply the changes. On the search bar, type this PC and then select this PC. Right-click on it and select Manage. Just wait for the meantime. Go to Device Manager and select Network Adapters. Choose one that you would like to update. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. When it's done processing your update, go back to your home desktop. Right-click the network adapter icon and select Open Network and Internet Setting. Select Change Adapter Options. Click your active connection or the Ethernet network. Right-click on it and select Properties. The given items, select Internet Protocol version 4 or TCP IPv4. I assign manually my IP address as 192.168.22.14 and then my subnet mask will automatically appear. I will also assign my default gateway as 192.168.22.1. I will assign my preferred DNS server as 192.168.22.1 and then select OK. Your device will be disconnected for a while. As you can see, I have no internet access. Go back to your home desktop. On the search bar, type Command Prompt and then select it. Type ipconfig. Now my IP address was changed.